All right, guys, welcome back. We are here with that old 2006 Porsche 911. We got that crusty tint removed, and we had our favorite window tinter, Darth Shader, re-tint this car. But that's just a little bit of icing on the cake. This did receive our full restorative detail, so she's looking top. We pulled the wheels off, we thoroughly cleaned the suspension, cleaned the wheels, everything. The whole undercarriage has been repainted and polished. The interior has been fully steamed, leather was pulled out, everything was cleaned very, very thoroughly. What we're gonna show is just give you a quick little tour of what we've done. Obviously you can see how really shiny the paint is. We did fully correct it and then coat it with Modesta BC08. So let me go ahead and show you here what we did to the engine compartment. We really fully detailed it, and we had some new pieces put in. As you can see, that's a new piece, that's a new piece. We had new tail lights put in the car. Well, obviously the owner got new tail lights. We put new tail lights in, but everything was detailed and steamed to the fullest. So we go right here. You know, the interior's looking real top. Replaced those old mats, got some new mats in her, fully steamed and dressed the interior. She's ready to go. And you got the front here, which we really kind of detailed very thoroughly as well. But then we got some parts that we got to put in the car, but this is showing you just how clean we got all the rails. We actually steamed and cleaned all of this, the battery compartment, all the plastic had been removed. A couple of pieces we bought brand new, this piece here, windshield wiper blades, stuff like that. Arms we replaced and painted. But here you go, she's complete and she's ready. I hope you like it, because we spent a lot of time on this car. I like to consider this to be called my detail. I call it my detail because this owner let us go full ham on the car. What I mean by ham, meaning there was no option. So we fully went crazy. We pulled as much as we possibly can off this car to get it thoroughly clean. And like I said before, clean cars drive better.